Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to see about loop, and before this we have covered so many important topics. So if you have not watched them, please go and watch. That's gonna help you in your interview as well as in your live task. So today's topic is loop, and loop is very important part in Java training or in Java course. Okay. So whenever you will go for the loop, there are the different type of loops you are going to study, and you will going to know that how we are using the loop. Okay. So let's understand through the PPT, like what is loop. So in computer programming, loops are used to repeat a block of code. For example, if you want to show a message 100 times, then rather than typing the same code 100 times, okay, so it will save you the line of code also. Think if you have to print something more than 100 lines or 100 lines, directly you can go through the loop, you will write the 5 lines of code and it will print 100 times, okay. So there are the 3 type of loops: for loop, while loop and do while loop. And maybe you're someone like texting, like text me more than 100 times, then only I will convince and blah blah blah. So that time you can just go through the loop, you can type, and how many times they want, you can just give the number 100 times, whatever. You will know these things through today's syntax. So let's start through syntax also. And okay, now come to the syntax part. So first of all we are going through the loop, okay. So come to the basic first one. Like if you have to type any statement more than 5 times, so what will you do? So int n equal to 5, okay, then int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and plus plus I, pre-increment, and Java is fun I have written. So it will print the Java is fun 5 times. If you have to print counting number up to 5, 1 to 5, what will you do? Int n equal to 5 means 5 times you have to print something, and from where? You have to print from I equal to 1 to less than equal to num. Whatever num value I will type here, it will go till there, and plus plus I, and system.out.println you have to write I here. So it will give you the 1 to 5 counting number, okay. Run as Java application, and you can see Java is fun 5 times and 1 to 5 times. So if you will ask, someone will ask you, please please print the counting number, okay, from 1 to 50 or 10 to 15, like this. So you can go through this one, okay. Now next question is, like this is a for each loop. Come to the for each loop, okay. And how for each loop is going to handle, just see here. You know, this is our like main class. In main class is a main void type method, and here we are creating an array list, okay. In array list we are going to add some values. If you have know the array list and how to add the value, you will understand. Otherwise this is array list name dot add, and here we are passing the value, whatever value we are going to store in our array list, we are writing here. Then if you have to print means your array list value through for each, what will you do? You have to write your array list name dot for each, and then system dot out colon println. It will give you the all the values whatever you have added in your array list. So you can see football, cricket, chess and hockey just printed here, okay. So this is the way. And what is the while and do while loop? In while loop we are giving some conditions, okay, like here I have given the condition, and what the condition I have given, you can see here, like scanner, I want to just user going to enter some numbers, okay. So enter a number, and I have given some conditions like while a number is greater than equal to 0, okay, if number is greater than equal to 0, then sum plus equal to number, okay. It will give you the number, okay. Otherwise what it will do, it will just loop will stop. If you will type something negative number or something else, what will happen? It will give the sum of your numbers, like a positive numbers only, and loop will stop there only. So if I will run here, you can check run as Java application. If I am typing here 5, okay, positive number. If I am typing -8, it will, or if I am writing something -4, what will do? You can see it here, 5 came. Why 5 came? Because 5 is added to 5 only, means there is nothing, only 5 is positive number, so 5 printed here, okay. And -4, because I told you that if you will type negative, it will give the sum of the positive numbers. There is only one positive number, 5, so 5 is here. Now what is do? Do in the sense means whenever you will go for the do loop, whatever conditions you have given, it doesn't matter, at least one time statement is going to print, okay. So int I equal to 0, if I put it here do, okay, do system.out print statement and I plus plus, and while I is less than -1. See here, I is equal to 0, I less than -1. Obviously condition is not looking perfect, but it's going to give you one time statement, Okay, so just go for the first one also. 9, okay, positive number. 7, positive number. If I am typing any negative number, it will add the number. Okay, it will add only positive number. Okay, so 9 plus 7 is 16. Minus it will not add. If you will type minus number, it will give the sum of the other positive number. And print statement. Print statement coming from this one 40, where I have used do. Okay, do. So in case of do, at least one time it's going to print you the number. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. I hope you understand. So all the best, take care, bye bye.